Looking for a unique dessert for your Christmas celebration? Allow me to introduce Poinsettia Petit Fours. These elegant, festive delights are perfect for the holiday season. We'll soon guide you on crafting these little wonders. Stay tuned to learn how to make these floral delights that will make your Christmas celebration extra special. First, gather all the ingredients you'll need. To create our elegant Poinsettia Petit Fours, you'll require a box of your favorite cake mix, a tub of ready-to-spread icing, and food coloring in red, green, and yellow. Don't forget to add a sprinkle of creativity with some decorative elements like edible glitter or sugar pearls. Remember, the key to a smooth baking process is having all your ingredients at the ready. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to start baking. Now, begin with the process of baking your Petit Fours. First, combine your ingredients to form a smooth cake batter. Be sure to mix well to avoid any lumps. Pour this batter into a shallow pan, spreading it evenly to ensure uniform baking. Pop this pan into a preheated oven and bake until golden brown. The aroma will be truly irresistible. After baking, let the cake cool completely. Patience is key here, as a cooled cake will be easier to handle. Once your cake has cooled, it's time for the fun part: decoration. Get creative and start decorating your Petit Fours. First, we'll slice our cake into bite-sized squares. Next, let's apply a generous layer of icing, creating a smooth, blank canvas. Now, the fun part, the poinsettia design. Using food coloring and decorative elements, let's shape these festive flowers on top. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. Let your imagination run wild and craft your own unique designs. And there you have it. Your Poinsettia Petit Fours are ready to serve. These Poinsettia Petit Fours are sure to impress your guests this Christmas. With their elegant design and delightful taste, they'll add a unique touch to any festive gathering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.